Hi, my name is Irene. In this video, I want to show you how I experimented with stop motion for the first time, using only the resources that I have at home. Every project starts with an idea, and for me, that idea begins on paper, or in this case, in Photoshop. Before touching the camera, I created a storyboard to plan movement, rhythm, and transitions. So once the idea was clear, I gathered the materials. Fresh raspberries, strawberries, dark chocolate, and of course the Trü Frü packaging. Next came the setup. I filmed this in the basement of my house using wooden table to create a more natural and organic feel. For lighting, I used two side lights, like the main ones, one on the back, and keep everything as even as possible. This is where the real work started. Frame by frame, I move each element slightly. So on one side, you can see how I was actually looking into it. And on the other side, like behind that, is the real process happening in front of the camera. And after filming, I move into editing. I imported everything into Adobe Premiere Pro and started cleaning the footage frame by frame. Any shot with unwanted movement or camera shake had to go. For audio, I completely removed the original sound, we don't need it. In stop motion, sound design is just as important as the visual, so I use sound effects from YouTube Studio and Audio Library to give each movement a purpose, and I'm obsessed with this facility that YouTube gives to creators. I created this without prior professional experience in stop motion, just curiosity, planning, and the tools I had available. This is my final result of my first time doing stop motion at home. Thank you for watching, and if you're learning, experimenting, and creating, keep going. Every frame counts, and I will let you hear my social medias if you're interested to see more of my work or my process. Thank you.